Anyway, so I'm gonna do a rummage sale, and also I'm gonna sell some of my clothes na hindi ko na ginagamit. So please stand by and wait for it. Ay, paka-feeling. Hi! It's your girl from the Philippines. So today I'm going to process some things sa downtown. Pero it's like raining so hard because there is a typhoon. There is a typhoon, no? So I'm thinking of wearing a heels, my yellow heels, but no, because it's raining. So just gonna wear something comfortable, I think. For the pants, I think gusto kong i-wear ito dahil super comfortable lang talaga nito. And this is from Ukay as well. This is worth 100 pesos only. So let's try it on. Walang tatak. Pero super ganda ng cut, right? I like this pants. This is one of my favorite pants bala in the whole wide world. Apaka-all. Let's try it on. Oh no, hindi na siya nag-fit. Diba? Ang ganda ng tabas. Like super Gen Z. And for the top, I'm thinking to wear deals. Tada! This is 60 pesos. They're much better. Right? The blue one. There. So for the socks, I have this, the blue one too. So for the shoes, I'm gonna wear this. So okay din to. It's bulky, kay ka-rainy, hindi ko gusto mabahaan ta, kay ga-flood outside. So cutie! So for the hair, and just natural beauty plus lipstick and just blush lang talaga, no, ang nagdadala sa ating kagandahan. So for the hair pala, ito yung pinili ko because I want to show my shoulder blades and the design of the top. So ayun, I'm thinking to wear this or this even if it's raining, ha. So let's go back to the shades. What do you think? Too aggressive. I think this one. And for the bag, this is my bag. And some keychains. So there. Right? Abi mo spaghetti, San Jollibee. Hindi. Very Filipina things. What to wear? Thinking of silver. Then the watch, silver also. There! Shadow siya galik extra. I don't want it. I'll change this to this na lang. The dangling earrings. Pair with the bracelet. Right. As compared to the hoop earrings before. It's much elegant. And bagay lang siya sa outfit. Not too OA. Not too... Basta compliment lang siya. So this is the outfit. And if ma-cold, because it's a very, very cold weather today, I'm going to wear this for that. Giving a little extra Chararat, para kung matugnawan, kaya naman, di ba? There. How was it? Is it sashay away or how was it? Is it okay? Deal or no deal? Okay. And for the shades, yes. And for the bag, there. Right? So what do you think? Is it leave it or doon ka sa far away? Is it dito ka sa malapit or doon ka sa far away kind of outfit? Ta-da!